TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is trusted by industries such as oil and gas, chemical processing, nuclear power, pharmaceuticals, food and beverage production, and aerospace engineering. Let's explore its remarkable capabilities in the natural gas sector. In the natural gas industry, pipelines must handle high pressures and extreme temperatures while maintaining absolute safety. The TATE welding machine ensures leak-proof welds, providing durability and reliability for high-pressure gas pipelines. With its automated orbital welding system, the machine delivers precise and consistent results, reducing the risk of system failure. Its versatility in welding materials like stainless steel and high-performance alloys makes it an indispensable tool for building and maintaining natural gas infrastructure. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, providing tailored OEM and ODM services. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share.